What if the software agent that automatically buys cloud instances, signs certificates, or triages security alerts suddenly decided or was tricked to do the wrong thing? What if that assistant acted like a hacker? Hi, welcome to SSL International. I'll show you exactly how autonomous or agentic AI is being weaponized by attackers, why everyone from IT teams to small business owners in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore needs to care, and a practical 7-step defense plan you can start applying today. Let's dive in. First, what do we mean by agentic AI? Simply put, agentic AI are autonomous software agents that can take actions on their own behalf, create resources, call APIs, open tickets, request code changes, send emails, and even make purchases, often across multiple systems without constant human supervision. These aren't just chatbots that answer questions. These are goal-driven programs that act to achieve objectives. Why does this matter now? 2 reasons: scale and access. Businesses are automating routine tasks, provisioning servers, renewing certificates, or triaging alerts, and they give those automated agents real power and credentials. At the same time, attacker tooling is getting smarter and more accessible. When autonomous agents have too much privilege, mistakes or manipulations by malicious actors can cascade much faster. Put simply, agentic AI expands your attack surface. An attacker doesn't always need to compromise a human. They can compromise an agent, abuse its identity, and move laterally across systems. Let's look at how attackers weaponize these agents. 5 high-risk vectors you need to know. 1. API key theft and token abuse. Agents often use service tokens. If those tokens leak or are phished, attackers can call the same APIs the agent uses. That's like stealing the agent's keys to the kingdom. 2. Prompt and policy manipulation. Many agents act on prompts or high-level policies. If an attacker can influence the prompt input through compromised data or a poisoned prompt, the agent may perform unsafe actions. 3. Automated reconnaissance. Agents that scan networks or enumerate services can be tricked into revealing internal topology or credentials by feeding them manipulated responses. 4. Supply chain and third-party abuse. Agents often call external services. A compromised third party can send malicious payloads that the agent executes or trusts. 5. Social engineering via AI-crafted content. Agents that send emails, invoices, or notifications may generate highly convincing messages using advanced language models, making phishing far more effective. Some of these attacks are already practical. Attackers are using generative models to craft targeted phishing at scale, and automation means a successful compromise can be executed faster and at greater range than before. What's on the line? Everything digital that businesses rely on. Here are the top 3 impacts. 1. Data exfiltration and compliance failure. An agent that has access to databases or backups can leak customer records or intellectual property. That leads to regulatory fines and loss of trust. 2. Operational disruption. Imagine an agent that auto-scales or auto-provisions compromised resources. Large, unexpected bills, downtime, or service outages can follow. 3. Brand and email abuse. Agents that manage email flows or marketing campaigns can be abused to send phishing from legitimate-looking addresses. That damages reputation and can lower deliverability. Industry watchers have raised the alarm. Autonomous systems are becoming mainstream, and security teams must treat them like any other identity. Gartner and other security analysts now list Agentic AI as a major enterprise risk, and that's because the speed and autonomy of these systems multiply any single mistake into a systemic problem. Before we go tactical, here are 5 defensive principles you must adopt. 1. Identity is the new perimeter. Every agent must have its own identity, credential lifecycle, and least privilege access. Treat agent identities like human identities. Short-lived credentials, rotation, and attestation are mandatory. 2. Policy enforcement and intent verification. Don't allow free-form agent commands. Enforce policy guards and intent checks. If an agent asks to perform a high-risk action, it must pass policy gates or require human approval. 3. Zero trust for automation. Assume every request is untrusted until verified. Micro-segmentation, mutual TLS, and per-call authorization reduce blast radius. 4. Observability and telemetry. Log every agent action and centralize those logs. Use anomaly detection to flag unusual behavior, like an agent requesting a certificate it's never requested before. And 5. Auditable human-in-the-loop controls. For sensitive operations require an auditable human confirmation step. Agents should augment humans, not replace checkpoints for high-impact actions. If you apply these principles consistently, you can keep automation productive while limiting risk.
Okay, here is a practical, prioritized 7-step roadmap you can implement now. Think of this as your Agentic AI incident prevention playbook. Step 1, inventory and mapping, weeks 0 to 1. List every automation, agent, bot, and scheduled task that has credentials or network access. If you don't know what's running, you can't secure it. Step 2. Enforce least privilege plus short-lived credentials, weeks 1 to 4. Replace long-lived API keys with short-lived tokens or MTLS certificates. Scope permissions narrowly. Only allow the exact API calls the agent needs. Step 3. Strong identity and attestation, weeks 2 to 6. Ensure each agent has a cryptographic identity. Use device attestation or workload identity providers. For services that require signing, prefer managed PKI or certificate automation with rotation. Step 4. Policy safety gates and human approvals, weeks 2 to 6. For high-impact actions, deleting data, issuing certs, making payments, pipe requests through a policy engine that can enforce constraints and optionally require human approval. Step 5. Monitoring, anomaly detection, and response, weeks 3 to 8. Centralize logs and use behavior analytics. Configure alerts for unusual agent behavior, excessive API calls, unexpected destinations, or attempts to escalate privileges. Tie alerts into your SOC or response playbooks. Step 6. Secure communication channels, weeks 1 to 4. Protect agent communications with mutual TLS, signed payloads, and integrity checks. For email flows, ensure SPF, DKIM, DMARC are correctly set to prevent spoofing and consider email signing, SMIME, where applicable. Step 7. Tabletop exercises and update SLAs, ongoing. Run simulations where an agent is compromised. How fast can you revoke tokens, roll back actions, and restore services? Update your incident response SLAs and ensure the right teams can act quickly. Implement these steps incrementally. Even partial progress, short-lived credentials, and better monitoring drastically reduces your risk.
Let me summarize the essentials. Agentic AI is powerful and useful, but it's not inherently safe. Treat every autonomous agent as an identity. Enforce least privilege, add policy gates and human checks, and instrument everything with monitoring. Start with inventory and short-lived credentials. Those two moves alone close many attack paths. If you want help operationalizing this playbook, subscribe for weekly security briefings. Like this video if you found the roadmap useful, and comment below with which step you want a step-by-step tutorial for first. I can make a hands-on video, for example, how to rotate agent tokens using MTLS, or how to enforce a policy gate. Download the free checklist in the description to run your first inventory today. Link is pinned in the top comment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and remember, secure automation is the future, but only if we design it that way.